How to fix Facebook account disabled. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device. Here click on apps option. As you see, we found all the applications that you have already on your phone. Search for Facebook only and go to storage option. Here on storage option, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then back, click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do, guys, you have to go to permissions option, go to files and media and allow access to media only. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.